This is an eDrawings part file. It's a compressed 3D file for sharing. You can view it for free with the eDrawings viewer from SolidWorks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the part. My experience tells me that some EPRT files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. And our EPRT file is a SolidWorks eDrawings part file. It contains a 3D model created in SolidWorks, saved in a format optimized for viewing and sharing using the eDrawings software. This format allows users to view, measure, and mark up 3D models without needing the full SolidWorks application. EPRT files are designed to be lightweight and easily shareable. They contain the geometric data of the 3D model along with metadata such as materials and annotations. The eDrawings software provides tools for rotating, zooming, and sectioning the model, as well as adding comments and measurements. The format is optimized for fast loading and rendering. The reference software for validating EPRT integrity is SolidWorks eDrawings from Dassault Systems. Windows can preview the image but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows can't show full mesh resolution, so a complete look requires 3D CAD or visualization software. Open the menu by right-clicking your EPRT file and choosing Open With. Test SolidWorks eDrawings first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If the EPRT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the EPRT format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, use eDrawings Viewer. Open the file using the free SolidWorks eDrawings Viewer, the required application for the specific format. Next, check for corruption. If the file fails to open, ask the sender to re-export the file from their original SolidWorks file. Finally, check version. Ensure the eDrawings Viewer version is equal to or newer than the version that created the .ePRT file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.